In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in Canva. This is perfect for captions, tutorial slides, or social posts where you want your message to build for emphasis. We'll start from a blank design and end with a clean, animated reveal you can preview right inside Canva. First, open a template in Canva. You can choose any size, presentation, Instagram, or video, depending on where you plan to use it. Once your canvas is open, head to the left sidebar and click Text. Then select. Add a heading to drop a new text box onto your page. Type in the phrase or word you want to animate. Keep it concise and clear. Shorter phrases usually read better when they appear sequentially. Next, let's make it look the way you want. Resize the text by dragging the corner handles so it fits your layout. You can also fine-tune the font size using the size control in the toolbar for precise adjustments. Change its font to match your brand or tone. Something bold for impact, or a clean sans serif for readability. And then select any font you like from the list. After that, recenter the text on your canvas. Use Canva's smart guides to snap it to the middle so your animation feels balanced and intentional. Now for the animation. Click Animate in the top toolbar. In the text animation options, select Typewriter. This gives you that classic typed-in feel. To make your message appear one by one, choose Word. That setting reveals each word in sequence, which is great for pacing your message and keeping viewers engaged. With the animation selected, adjust the speed to control how quickly each word appears. Slower speeds emphasize each point, faster speeds feel more energetic. Then look at the duration at the bottom of the editor and adjust it to match how long you want the entire scene to last. Think of speed as the rhythm of the type, and duration as the total time on screen. Balancing both gives you a smooth, readable result. When you're happy with the setup, click Preview to watch it back. Pay attention to timing. Can you comfortably read each word as it appears? And does the full message finish at a natural moment? If not, tweak the speed or duration until it feels just right. And that's it. You opened a template, added and styled your text, applied the typewriter animation, set it to Word, adjusted speed and duration, and previewed the final effect. You now have text that appears one by one in Canva, ready to use in your next project.